In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Nifty 500 stocks in TradingView Watchlist. If you're new to TradingView or just setting up your workspace, the watchlist is your command center for keeping an eye on the markets. You'll find it on the right side of the screen in the watchlist panel. Go ahead and open your watchlist on the right pane so it's visible while you work. This panel lets you quickly view prices, percentage changes, and easily jump between charts without searching every time. With the watchlist open, look to the top of that pane for the plus icon. This is your Add Symbol button. Click the plus icon, and a search box will appear. In that search field, type Nifty 500. You'll see results that may include the Nifty 500 index and potentially related symbols. Depending on your data provider or region, it might show up as Nifty 500, CNX 500, or a similar naming convention, often tagged with your exchange, like NNSE. Choose the one that clearly represents the Nifty 500 index. Once you see it in the results, click the small plus sign next to the listing to add it to your watch list. That's the core process. You've just added the Nifty 500 index to your list, so you can monitor it at a glance. If you also want to keep track of individual companies from the Nifty 500, follow the exact same flow. Click the plus icon at the top, type the stock's name or ticker, confirm you're selecting the listing from the correct exchange, and hit the plus sign next to it. You can repeat this as many times as you like to build a list that matches your trading or investing plan. A quick tip on searching. If you're not getting the result you expect, try the company's formal name or the precise ticker symbol. Also, watch for lookalike entries like futures, CFDs, or indices with similar names. The exchange label helps confirm you've got the right one. Once symbols are in your watch list, you can click them to load their charts instantly. Reorder them by dragging or remove any you don't need. Keeping your list focused helps you scan faster and make decisions with more clarity. And that's all there is to it. Open your watch list on the right pane, click the plus icon, search for the Nifty 500 index or any specific stocks you want, and add them with a single click. Simple, fast, and organized. So you can spend more time analyzing and less time searching.